All right, welcome back. I've got a new carabiner here. I have another one on the way. I'm gonna redo my tethers with the carabiner so I can go around limbs and some hookups faster. But working out how to wrap this rope on here to protect the oplux and to give me my spacing between the line and the tree, and I have a contact point here and then one over here, and the idea here is to support this carabiner such that it does not get side loaded. And I pretty much got that. This piece of the rope really isn't getting pinched in there at all, but so yeah, this will be covered. These two will be covered again in the heat shrink tubing, and then I'll wrap this enough here and then back here so that with the carabiner supported at the ends and the pressure off of the center. This is a 30 kilonewton carabiner, so I'm not too worried about it breaking. It's 16 kilonewtons on the gate itself. So, however, I don't want to side load it at all, if possible. So, and then this will act as a chafing guard for the oplux. The heat shrink will go from the base of the bowl hitch. I have a bowl hitch, the oplux to the carabiner, and then the heat shrink will run from there and go 2 foot. And then I have that other sleeve where I can pull out and just come past here. So that's adjustable and used to protect this oplux from chafing in here. And then let's see, this wrap gives me my spacing, and it puts the force vectors on this carabiner along the main axis, along with this spacer, chafing guard spacer. So the tree, this object here, stops movement on the carabiner that way. And yeah, that's it. I have some more oplux on the way, and so I'm going to make 2 of these will be the same now with this tie-in for the harness and saddle. So I have 2, rather than on my lower tether tying into the stirrup line, I'll have a separate line tie into the tether in 2 places. And that's it. And the way this will be used to go around limbs is when I'm going to put the carabiner on both carabiners would go on the limb side. So let's say I had a limb on the left side of the tree. I'd have both carabiners set up like this. The carabiners on the left, and the tie-in lines coming in from the right. And then when I come up to a limb, I'll have a third tether I can tether up above, and I'm going to take my regular upper tether off, or I would unclip it here, and I would go up and around the limb, and then I would move up, and I would move the other one up and around the limb. So I'd always have minimum two tethers to hold me to the tree, and then the third one just adds to the transition, and just in case there's an issue. But the two main are going to have this the DMM Kleiderheist carabiner. It's ANSI rated for arborist, where they put the we won't see all of them here, but they put all the information on the main axis of the carabiner. So under this rope here, it shows what the gate loading is, and the main axis, and all that stuff. So anyway, quick video. I can't really, we're looking forward to getting these this latest version together and trying it out, but the supply chain being what it is, it's taking a little time to get that stuff. But it's coming. Hopefully, maybe by next weekend, I'll have it together, and not long after I'll be able to climb with it. But that's it. Thanks for stopping by.